Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best construction work boots you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many construction work boots and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each construction work boots so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying construction work boots. The first thing to look for is safety, which means checking for features like steel toes, slip-resistant soles, and electrical hazard protection. Next, think about comfort because long hours on-site demand boots with good cushioning, ankle support, and breathable materials. Durability is another key factor, so choose boots made from high-quality leather or strong synthetic materials that can handle heavy use. You should also consider the boot's fit and weight, as poorly fitted or overly heavy boots can cause fatigue. Lastly, look for waterproofing and insulation if you work in wet or cold environments. A good pair of work boots should balance protection, comfort, and quality to keep you safe and productive every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.